Hey everyone, let's go ahead and see how you can generate Instagram influencers with AI. We are going to use here a Qwen image editor and Qwen text to image generator model. We will be using here ComfyUI as well. And here is my computer configuration. So I'm using here a GPU GeForce RTX 5090 and total memory available with this GPU is 32 GB and overall my computer RAM is here 96 GB. All right. Then first of all, we are going to generate a reference image with the Qwen image generator, basically text to image generator. Then using this reference image, we are going to generate the various variants of that particular reference image. So we'll be using this and thereafter we'll be generating this one, and this one. You can generate any kind of the image using this Qwen image generator. It is quite accurate and also it is quite fast as well. We are going to also use these prompts. So this is the prompt which I'll be also providing you in my YouTube video description. So you can get it from there itself. All right, let's go ahead and get started with the image generator process. All right, now let's go ahead and see how you can generate your Instagram influencers. So we'll be using here a two model. One, we are going to use Qwen image to generate our reference image. Once we have generated our reference image, then we can use image edit model from the Qwen itself to generate various references of our image reference image. So basically there would be a various variants of our reference image. We are going to use here a ComfyUI. If you are beginner with the ComfyUI, you can go at my channel KGP Talkie. You can watch how you can install ComfyUI for Windows 11 and how you can get started with the ComfyUI. All right. So I open my ComfyUI here. Thereafter, first we are going to generate our reference image. So here I have a prompt. This prompt is also given in my video description. You can get these prompts from my video description. So first of all, I need to generate the reference image. For the reference image, we need to use here Qwen image generator. So this is text to image generator model. We'll be providing our text data. This is going to be the text data. Based on this, it is going to generate the image. So first of all, we need to load our workflow. You need to come here in the template. Thereafter, in the image, you can search here Qwen. By the time, because you watch this video, this might not be available, but yeah, you can search here Qwen and then Qwen image text to image. This particular model workflow you have to load here. So click on there. Thereafter, it tells you that there are missing models. All right. So these models are missing. If you load it first time, you might get these things. So what you do here, you download all these, right? So once you download all these, it is going to be loaded into the model folder of your ComfyUI. All these things are once downloaded, then we can generate our image. In meantime, while it is downloading, what you can do here as well, you can load your Qwen image edit model as well. So I come here and then I say Qwen image edit here. All right. So this particular workflow I also download here. So it is saying here these are the two additional missing models are here. So you need to download that one. Also, you need to download this one. So with this now you will notice here all the models are getting downloaded. You can close it from here and then you can check it here. All these models are getting downloaded. Once download is finished, thereafter you will see here these things will be loaded with some numbers. Currently, if you check here, you do not have any numbers there. All right, everything is 00. Once everything is downloaded, then you will notice all these will be loaded here. All right. So we are going to wait for some time so that all these download finished, or all these download is finished, and then we can get started with this video. All right, all the download is finished. Now what I can do, I can refresh this and thereafter I can load here. So you will notice here that everything is loaded here. All the models are available here. To check it, what you can do, if you want to know that if everything is fine here, so what you can do, you can come again here in the template and you can open that Qwen image editor as well. Once again, right? Qwen image edit model once more. Now you will notice here, it is not popping anything about the missing models. So with this, it proves that everything is available here in our computer. Let's go ahead and first generate our reference image. So what I do here, first, let me explain you here. All these are nodes here, what you see here. So it has two Qwen models here, and then the Qwen image VA models are there. And this is the size. All right. So this is the size it is going to use to generate the model. Here is the positive prompt we can use, and here we can use the negative prompt here. All right. And what now I do here, I come here and then I just copy this whole thing from here. In fact, this is my prompt. This whole thing I copy and then I paste that whole thing here. All right. Thereafter, I also need to put here a negative prompt. So I have a negative prompt. I'm just going to put it here. Let me just put that negative prompt here as well. So this is the reference image and here is going to be the negative prompt. So this negative prompt is going to be applied for all the prompts here. All right, this particular thing. Now let me take you here. So this is my negative prompt. Like I do not want anything like blurry image, low resolution, cartoon style, 3D render, extra finger, etc. etc. So all these are a negative prompt. And here is my positive prompt. So a confident young 30 years old women model posing against a plain white background, standing straight with one hand on her waist and the other resting on her thigh. She has long, wavy, dark brown hair falling over her shoulders, a warm smile and natural makeup. She is wearing a sleeveless mustard yellow crop top. She has long dangling earring and a stylish modern appearance. The lighting is soft and event studio photography style, close-up shot, front-facing realistic photo. So basically, as much as you explain in the positive prompt, that good your model is going to generate the image here. So now what do we do here? We just click on here run. So with this run, it is going to generate this image. We have to wait for some time. In meantime, let me just explain you. It is going to take here 20 steps and the configuration parameter is 2.5. Higher the config value, that means it is going to more follow your positive and negative prompt here. Perfect. Now you see your Instagram influencer reference image is ready here. All right. So this is the girl which we are going to use to create the various reference image. I mean, this is going to be a reference image, and using this reference image, we are going to create various variants of this image. Now you can click on here, you can see the details and it seems very clear and I do not see anything, like wrong with this image. So this is perfect image. Now this particular image we are going to use. So right click on this and then save this image. So I'm just going to save this image. It is going to save here. Okay. Then I see here, this is going to be my reference image. All right, perfect. Once you have your reference image, as I told you here in this prompt, once you get the reference image, now we are going to generate image to image. All right. So basically, we are going to use here Qwen image edit model here. All right. So in the Qwen image edit model, you will notice here you have option to upload the image here. So I just click on there and then click on the reference image. And this reference image is going to be used to generate the various variants of this particular reference image. So I already have my prompt. Let's go here and take our prompt. So this is our prompt. And what I say here in my prompt that keep the existing model as is. Basically, keep this one as is. Place her with crossed leg on the hood of the metallic blue BMW sports car parked on the misty forest road. Add soft cinematic lighting and light fog around the background. And the slightly moody vibe, hyper realistic, 8K resolution, high fashion editorial style, Instagram ready aesthetics. All right, perfect. This is my positive prompt. Let's go ahead and put the negative prompt. So this negative prompt is going to be used everywhere. Same negative prompt you can use. Thereafter, I'm going to use this negative prompt here. All right, perfect. We got a positive and the negative prompt. We have got our reference image. Now we are going to generate our variants here. Let's go ahead and click on here. Now it is going to run here. So you can see here it is running. It will take a little bit time to generate the image. We are going to wait here. One more thing you will notice here that my GPU consumption is now at 100%. And as you know that I'm using RTX 5090 GPU. It will take like 30 to 40 seconds to generate this variation. Perfect. Now we have got our image here, the first variation of our reference image. A girl is sitting on blue Mercedes, blue actually the BMW there, metallic blue BMW. So this was our positive prompt. All right. So once we have got this particular image, now what we can do, we can use this image to actually generate the other images as well. So I'm just going to use this as Insta image 1. All right. Perfect. Thereafter, I load that Insta image again here so that I can generate the various variation of this Insta image. So now the prompt is going to be pretty much simple one. So this prompt, this image is already generated. Now I just want to change the car color. So what I do, I just replace this everything to the change car color to red. Let's go ahead and see if it can change the car color to red. All right, perfect. Now you can see here that BMW car color is changed to red. Now we can try with our other prompts here, like change background to misty mountain and clothes to mini satin black dress. All right, so I'm just gonna take that one and then paste it here. Let's go ahead and see once image is generated. Perfect. Now you will notice here that it has changed these, the cloth color, and also the background is also changed here. Let's go ahead and check the last one. I'm just gonna change the cloths to the red bikini, and then I'm just gonna put it here and then see what happened here. Perfect. Now you can see here it has generated, it has changed the cloth into the red bikini, and overall background it is keeping same as the original one. So using this Qwen image model and the Qwen image editor model, you can generate the various image, and it is actually the limitless beyond the boundaries. You can generate any kind of the image, whatever you want here. I hope that this video was helpful. Please do like this video and subscribe this channel so that you can get the latest update whenever I publish new videos on the AI. Bye-bye. Take care.